Hi, I'm Mark.
And I'm Valerie, and we're at my home. And today we're going to take a quick look at the SwitchBot Hub Mini. SwitchBot sent us this to review, and basically what this is this is a device that allows you to connect up the whole SwitchBot ecosystem and talk to it over the internet.
It's very simple. You just plug it in, and then you install it. That's pretty much it.
Yeah. And SwitchBot makes a whole line of different kinds of products. And with this Hub Mini, you can connect them to your favorite voice assistant like the Echo or Google Assistant. And you can also connect them up to other SwitchBot devices, and you can make cool little scenes.
Oh, look at this. It has Alexa. Oh, I shouldn't have said that word. Echo. Google. Siri shortcuts.
Oh, IFTTT.
IFTTT. Smart Things.
Mm-hmm.
And also Clova.
Yeah.
We don't know Clova, but must be another hub.
Must be Clova,
And
must be something.
something else. So it's really kind of easy. It's very simple to install. So it's not bad. But let's show you what we can do with it. So we brought along here, and this is a contact sensor right here. And you can set up automations. And so let's take a look here. Bring our handy lamp into the picture. Let's see.
So with the SwitchBot Hub Mini, you can connect up other SwitchBot devices and make scenes in the app. For instance, with this contact sensor we've got over here, you can set it up so if your door is open, it can do something like turn on the light or turn off the light.
So the contact is closed, and I guess I moved it enough, and now the contact's open. Let me do that again. We're closed, turns off the light, open it up, and I'm going to the light.
So
now,
if there's smart plugs, there's motion sensors, there's all kinds of things you can hook up to this hub. So that's it. That is the SwitchBot Hub Mini. Thank you for watching.
Thank you.